The red lightning bolt in a Chrysler 300 means that there are issues with the electronic throttle control. Your vehicle has an electronic gas pedal that doesn't have a direct connection with the throttle. It sends the signals to the control module with the potentiometer changing its resistance when you press the pedal. The control modules use actuators on the throttle body to rev up the engine when needed. This system is called drive-by-wire, which is quite common for all modern cars. But for older Chrysler vehicles it was pretty faulty. There are several culprits for these problems and they are all equally common. First of all, before you pay money for any repairs, find a good high-end scanner and read the codes. Several control modules will store the codes that will narrow down the culprit and save your time and money. Also, make sure you inspect the throttle area carefully for any disconnected wires, bad electrical connectors, or a leak in the air intake system pipes. These are the common and sometimes free to fix issues that will trigger this lightning bolt warning. Then there is the gas pedal that fails at a certain age or mileage. It's a potentiometer that you use several times a minute when you drive, so it's not a surprise that it doesn't last forever. Contacts are rubbed against each other and after some time they lose contact at a certain area and the pedal stops working properly. The entire pedal unit will need to be replaced in this case. Sometimes the contaminated throttle body may cause this. You may try cleaning it with simple carb cleaner spray methods, but if the vehicle is high mileage, which it probably is, it would be nice to take the throttle body off the car and clean it professionally, as well as inspect carefully for any damage. Other than that, there is a very common problem with the control modules that stop working properly on older cars. Fortunately, you will find tons of reprogrammed and upgraded modules that will fit like a plug-and-play unit, but first you need to have the car inspected and make sure the problem is in the ECU or PCM, otherwise you will throw your money down the drain. So unless quick and easy ways to fix the issue don't work, you need a good scanner, and this is the best place to start inspecting this lightning bolt issue in a Chrysler car.